Section 2, Video 1. Solving quadratics through graphing, square roots property, and factoring. So the key being solving. Now there's three ways we can solve quadratics. One is to graph it, in which case we are looking for x-intercepts. Factoring or zero product property is another way to solve it, and these kinds of answers are called zeros because you're using the zero product property. And the square roots property method is leading us towards the quadratic formula, and these kinds of answers are called roots. Now they are all considered solutions to quadratic equations. So x-intercepts, zeros, roots all pertain to solutions of quadratic equations, with one caveat, and that is that when you solve by graphing, these are approximate solutions. So to get exact answers, you would want to get them by factoring or the square roots property. But sometimes graphing does give you a nice answer when it goes through nice coordinates of the grid, but it does not always go through those coordinates. So exact answers are best found by these two methods here. And I give a little graph in this case to help us remember that, and that is that when you are solving or you're looking for solutions, you have three ways to solve quadratics. The first one being graphing, the second one being factoring, and the third one being the square roots property or quadratic formula. I'll solve this right, square root or quadratic formula. Which we'll get to eventually. And then when you solve with these three different methods, the solutions for graphing are called x-intercepts. The solutions for factoring are called zeros. And the solutions for square root property or quadratic formula are called roots. Again, same thing either way, but they have different names. And this ends Section 2, Video 1.